Welcome to J8 SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP question and answer. Explain about log objects in SAP ABAP. Log object is an ABAP dictionary provided feature used for synchronizing the access to the same data by multiple users or programs. Log objects in SAP ABAP are used for avoiding inconsistency during data insertion or modification in the database. Tables whose data records are gonna logged must be defined with their key fields in a log object. Consider an example for the user of log object. Suppose a travel agent wants to book a place in flight. Also, the customer wishes to fly a particular city on a particular day with a particular airline. The booking will be possible only if there exists a free place or the flight. The database enter for the flight must be logged through access prevention for other transactions to avoid the possibility of overbooking. This will make sure that a user can find out the number of free places, do the booking and change the available number or free places without the data being changed at the same time by another transaction. Thank you for watching this video.